What do we got here?
Okay, we've got a couple parts and pieces for the Imperial. We got both tie rod adjuster sleeves, which is funny because we have one vendor who we ordered the entire front steering kit from. They emailed me Friday. They go, we're back ordered on adjuster sleeves and one outer tie rod. I'm like, adjuster sleeves are like the most common adjuster sleeve on the face of the earth. They're a 2004S. It's like the most common sleeve on the planet. Millions of cars use it. Every parts on the planet has it. So I just ordered 2 moved ones when I put in the order for the ones for the Camaro because it's all the same part. So that's handled. I ordered the one missing tie rod end this morning from Rare Parts. Rare Parts had 632 of them at their distribution center. So I don't know where this one vendor is back ordered on, but they're plentiful. They're everywhere. And then the sway bar bushings, which did not exist apparently. Guess what?
I was say, is that new old stock?
New old stock, baby. The only way we could get them in the right size. New old stock Moog. They're nice, they're soft, they're supple still. They're very nice.
Very nice.
From, look at that, Moog Automotive Incorporated. Isn't that beautiful?
That is cool.
You like that old box?
I feel like we gotta keep that old box.
Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Look, old Moog, new Moog. Still the same company.
Cool. All right, so let's.
All right, we got some Imperial goodies. Sorry, I didn't mean to step
No,
in with
you're
your
good.
safety flip flops.
Hey, shh.
All right, that can go in Imperial.